Okay, I'm going to take you really quickly through the hotel room that we rented here in PV. It's about a 1 minute walk from the hotel to the beach slash boardwalk, so to speak. All right, we've been here renting it for 3 nights, and it's going to cost us. My alarm just went off. It's costing us about $40 per night. So here's the entrance. Oh, gotta get the lights, sink, new towels, my shoes, got our bags set up right there. Let me close the door behind me. That's me closing the door. Got a TV, central heat and air. It's been going. Hold on. Oh, had to clean the lens of my cell phone here. Uploading videos with my camera right now, so that's being used. Anyhow, this bed is really, really comfortable. Definitely big enough for me and my girlfriend. So there's a phone that we rarely ever use. Night lights or reading lamps. Really nice tile floors. Yeah, $40 a night. But there's a view. I'll check out the view in just a second. It's my bag there in the corner, my side of the bed. So to your right, that's the toilet, and here's the shower. Check that. The shower is right in the room. Yeah, with enough privacy, and of course we have a table. I almost forgot about the table. Check out the shower in just a sec. Table and chair. Room is cleaned every day, of course. PV, $40 a night, and yeah, so here's a shower, right? Spacious. The water is really hot, really good pressure. Okay. Found this one on, I think it was booking.com. Hold on, there we go. Booking.com. So it was a good find. Of course, I did zero research. My girlfriend did all the research, so thank her for that. And then here's the toilet. Boom. Trying to get there we go, perfect. And for some reason, there's a telephone in the toilet. So if you need to call somebody because you're having issues, no, just kidding. Then you can actually place a phone call. Alright, so let's spin back around here. Then I'll also show you the dining area downstairs. So let's go outside. Oh, before we go outside, I almost forgot. We have what's it called? As a closet, so to speak. Store your clothes. My girlfriend didn't unpack at all because we're leaving tomorrow. But I did unpack. And we got a safe, and we're actually using the safe, so that's pretty good. Enough hangers. That's all my clothes. That's it. That's pretty much it. That's everything that I travel with. Oh yeah, I have some clothes over here. Dirty clothes on the bottom right there. But with some workout. Ab roller. Oh, definitely gotta have a bottle of champagne. I went to Walmart to buy a bottle of champagne. Actually, that's the second bottle. Alright, so here's the balcony. It's a shared balcony, which is really cool. I really want a private balcony. I wanted to be able to talk to people, but this is our view, right? This is actually the front of the hotel, the RIO Hotel. And so you go down here, the street right here, you turn left, and you're at the beach, so to speak, the boardwalk. Like, we're in a perfect this place is located is at a great location, and I sit right there, I smoke my e-cig and have a glass of wine. Yeah, that's it. And then watch traffic, people watch. So pretty damn. Let's get some light. Like I said, $40 a night. I'm gonna go downstairs. We're working from the, there's a cafe downstairs and there's a restaurant and a really nice setup. I like the way the pool is set up. It's really freaking cool. I'm going to show you that part of the hotel. $40 a night and without taxes. With taxes, it's roughly $47 a night. All right, so let's go downstairs and check out. I almost forgot that on each floor they have a little water purifier station. So you can actually fill your bottled waters, refill your bottled waters with actually, I say purified water, but drinkable water. And it's right here on every floor, which is really effing cool. So, all right, that's us on the second floor. There are only 2 levels. This is the second floor. Okay, let's head downstairs. Okay, so this is just a little reception area. It's a great location. Next door there's a barber shop and also look a tattoo parlor right across the street. Okay, that's reception. They're usually pretty friendly. Hola. All right. All right, so heading over to the restaurant. Oh, the music is always good, man. Oh, look at it. Hey, check this out. Oh, you kidding me? Look at that beautiful pool. Hola. All right, now this is a restaurant. And here's a cafe that's adjacent to the restaurant. It's called Coexist. So you can work from in here or have a cup of coffee, hang out. Just something that I really like. Really nice setup. The views. There are outlets right there, right there. It's along the wall. Alright. This is attached to the restaurant. Just come right in, you have access to this. You can work from up there. And or you can watch some television. Alright. Let's go back into the restaurant. It's beautiful. Got a bar. Hola. Hey. And it's open and airy. You can, from this side of the restaurant, it's a street. We're posted up right over here. Hello. Yeah.